Well, hello, thank you for tuning in. I have some cool new items from Countycomm today, from Maratak. Let's do this first. This is a tiny X-Acto knife keychain. So I requested this and they sent it to me. This is titanium, nice milling all around, and a tiny footprint. So this is the smallest Victorinox, which is my essential carry. If you've seen my videos, this is my essential carry: knife, flashlight, and a source of fire. This is the split P from Maratak, and now I'm thinking to add this thing in here because this does much better than the Victorinox knife, obviously. And we also have another Victorinox to change up scales on. That's also from Countycomm. Okay, so this thing is operated by basically tension, screwing this in. You see these round recesses here. There is 3 of them. So in the locked position, you're all the way down here, and then you screw it down to lock it in. You can stop the knife in this position, and that gives you a very precise tip, as you can see. For almost pinched myself or cut myself in there, and this way we get the whole the entire blade. And again, still a tiny footprint. Check this out, tiny footprint. This thing actually aids in the hold, I think. Yeah, it does, because this is a bit too narrow, so this helps in lateral control. That's nice. Okay, there's not much to say about it. Now, it comes as usual from Countycomm and from Maratak. It comes with almost a lifetime, and depending on your use, I would say maybe even a lifetime supply of replacement blades. This is 10 of them in there. It also comes with this silicone tip in case you are worried about this coming undone, which I would not carry it with that. I don't think once you kind of press this down, you really have to put force on this to unscrew. And once it unscrews, it really has to go several circles of the thread up to rotate. So I would say this is quite safe. And I would just attach it to my keyring as is, because this does add a bit of bulk and probably brings it up to the Victorinox classic SD size. Okay, not sure there's any sense in testing the blade. Obviously these blades are mass produced and not by Countycomm or by Maratak, but they're standard, you know, scalpel blades, basically, X-Acto knife. And I want to change the scales on this Victorinox kit. That yeah, of course, check out the description, use my discount code to get 10% off on your entire order on Countycomm, regardless of whether you buy Maratak products or anything else. So what comes with a kit is they usually include this lanyard with a titanium milled titanium bead, and it is nice paracord. It's not 550, it's some sort of different paracord. No, maybe it's not paracord. Paracord is parachute cord. So, but it's a nice one, and they include that usually with their tools. So we get this Victorinox, which actually, yeah, I'm just going to save this. You know what? Well, no, I won't save it. I was thinking I would just replace the scales on this one, but I like the color of this, so we'll just do a new Victorinox. And this Victorinox will help us do it. So sometimes when you pop these scales off, you could get damage on the plastic. So I'm going to try to do this as neat as possible. It's easier to go in from here because we do have an opening. So you kind of go in and slowly work your way around. There we go, we're in the middle. And then it should just pick and pop off. From what I've seen, this usually damages the plastic to where it won't get attached or reattached to the scales, as well as from the factory if you try to reattach it. There we go, that's one side. And then you don't want to pry this up because it will damage the other side. So kind of hold it down a bit, slide your knife in here, and then pry up this way, that way. There we go. And as I said, you still get, you see, this tiny black plastic broke off. So one hole only, we did damage slightly. This one. I don't think you can avoid that though. So now we attach this that way. And it doesn't matter which side, these are basically identical. So, and this is milled titanium. Well, it doesn't come on very easy. I actually like that. I hope that it won't take too much force though. We have wood in here, just we don't want to scratch up the titanium. And there we go, that side went in. So actually light taps, I'm not really putting down force on it, just light taps and it went on beautifully. Okay, and no scratches of course. Okay, take the other side off. You know what, I would actually have liked to see a Trident logo on this product, on the scales. Just like this one has a Victorinox logo. This has the topographic map pattern on it. And that's nice of course, but I like the Trident logo of Maratac. Okay, that's one side. I think we broke that plastic as well. And that's the other side. Maybe not. Okay, and then my friends, we do this and light taps again, because otherwise you see I'm trying to push it in, it won't go in. That's good because it tells us that it will have retention. This is brass, I believe, so it is much softer than the titanium. So again, light taps, 1, 2. And that side is done as well. They have a tiny dent in here on both sides, so you can put your fingernail in there and pull it out. So yeah, that looks quite nice, man, quite nice. Much fancier than this. And as you saw, this comes in a kit, so you get the knife as well as the scales. Very nice from Maratac. Check them out. I'll leave the links in the description below, and you will get a 10% discount on an entire order if you use my discount code. Cheers guys, thank you for watching and have a good one.